Welcome back to Reel to Meal. If summer had a flavor, this would be it. Before we plate this beauty, we have to start with the soul of the dish, a homemade balsamic reduction. In a pan, add 60 ml of balsamic. To this, add 2 teaspoons of honey or sugar to balance the acidity and get a syrupy consistency. The secret here is patience. Keep stirring gently. We are looking to reduce this by half. Once it starts to coat the spoon, take it off the heat and let it cool. Set it aside. It's going to be a black gold and garnish later. Now for the star of our show, we are going to half and quarter this. Now carefully remove the rind so we can slice it easily. We aren't doing basic cubes. We are going for uniform, even slices. Aim for a consistent thickness. Now trim them into clean rectangles. It makes the final stack look like it came straight out of a 5-star bistro. Take a moment to flick out any visible seeds. We want every bite to be perfectly smooth. Texture is everything. Once all the slices are de-seeded, let it cool in the fridge. Meanwhile, let's toss some cashew nuts just a few minutes in a dry pan until they are golden and fragrant. The earthiness of the cashews is a fantastic contrast to the watery fruit. Next, grab some fresh mint. Nothing beats the aroma of freshly sliced mint leaves. We'll use some for the dressing and save the prettier tips for the final garnish. We are doing 2 quick micro dressing. First, a bath for the watermelon. Whisk together extra virgin olive oil, freshly cracked black pepper, and those chopped mint leaves. Give a quick mix so the mint leaves releases its oil. Second, a base layer. In a separate bowl, add a handful of peppery arugula, drizzle with olive oil, juice of half a lemon, some fresh black pepper, and salt to taste. Give it a very light toss with your hands. You want to coat the leaves without bruising them. We'll also need some creamy, salty feta cheese. Now the assembly. Place the seasoned arugula right in the center of the plate. Take a watermelon rectangle, dip it into the minty olive oil dressing so it is fully glazed. And lay it over onto the bed of the greens. Follow that with some generous crumble of feta cheese. The sweet watermelon and salty feta makes a perfect balance. Repeat the process. We are building height and alternating those sweet and salty layers. To finish, scatter those toasted cashew nuts for crunch and a final sprig of mint for a pop of color. And the grand finale, that balsamic glaze we made earlier. Drizzle it right over the top. And there you have it, a stunning watermelon and feta salad that looks as good as it tastes. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Reel to Meal for more culinary inspirations. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.